Hello, welcome to another type of question which we are going to solve. It's coming from coordinate geometry. I'd say a topic coordinate geometry, and we will look at how to find the length of a straight line between 2 points. This is the question we'll do for today. Let's now look at how to solve the length of a straight line between 2 points. The formula is AB is equal to the square root, open brackets, x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 close brackets squared. Okay, so you're supposed to identify which one will be your x1 and x2, also y2, y1. So in this case, I have my x2 here. I take -4 to be my x2. Okay, so -4 will be my x2 minus my x1. It will be -7. Okay, so this will be 7, -7 equals squared plus 4y. So my y will be 5, since -4 was my x2, and then 5 obviously just to be y2. Okay, to be y2, we write 5. We're going to write 5 minus my y2 will be 1. My y1, I mean, will be 1. So it will be 5 minus 1 squared. Okay, I need the math. Okay, we have square root and -4 minus -7, it will give us +3. Since the negative there, -1, -7, it will give you positive. Then -4 plus 7, that's why you're getting 3 there. Then plus 5 minus 1, that is 4. And let's indicate them as squared here. You have 3 squared. We're going also to have 4 squared. Okay, we continue. So 3 squared, that is 9, plus 4 squared, that is 16. Okay, equals 9 plus 16, you get 25. 25. Then you find the square root of 25. Square root of 25, that is 5. So when you write 5, you're supposed to write 5 units. Okay, 5 units. That's our final answer. So 5 units is our answer. This is how we solve for the length of a straight line between 2 points. So this question here, I got it from 2025 paper 1 GCE. So thank you very much for joining me today in this lesson. Bye bye.